The theme that I was given for my lecture today is the Sierra Leone Special Court and its legacy, the impact for Africa and international criminal law, which incidentally has also been the subject of a book that I edited on the topic several years ago in 2013 with Cambridge University Press. In the limited time that we have available for this lecture, I will proceed as follows. First, I will offer some general remarks on the wider modern context reflecting the rise of international criminal law and the establishment of ad hoc international tribunals, including the Special Court for Sierra Leone, which for the purposes of this lecture I will sometimes refer to as the SCSL, the Special Court, or more simply the Court or the Tribunal.